Hello, today is Sunday, September 13th. It's a typical Sunday. About noontime, the boys are just waking up. So, I thought we'd just take a little video of the joys of dealing with these two whippersnappers. Nicholas got up first, he's on the right, jumping around, ready to jump out the window. Nicholas! Clap your hands! You too much, Dada. Jump around. And what does Mr. Anthony have to say for himself? Nicholas, Anthony, say Mama. 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 What you got on your arm? Whoa, put your hands up. Whoa. Can you clap, Anthony? Anthony, what are you grabbing? Clap your hands. Clap. Clap, clap, clap. Somebody clap. Clap. Are you waving? Hi, Anthony. Hi, Nicholas. Oh, now everybody's jumping. Oh. Nicholas, go back to bed? Good night, Nicholas. Good night. Good night, Nicholas. Hi, Anthony. Can you say poo-poo? Poo-poo. Say poo-poo. Say baba. 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 Oh, brother. Do you guys know that Daddy has to take a test tomorrow? He's got to do some studying. Does that factor into the equation? Does that factor in, Anthony? You look like you might be a little concerned, maybe not. No? How about you, Nicholas? Daddy got to study? No? Yes? Yeah, right, Daddy. Uh-oh, somebody here. Somebody's here. Let's see who's here. I just heard somebody. Let's find out who it is. Someone's gonna be coming up those stairs. Oh. I wish I could edit. What? What's all that fussing for? What's all that fussing for? Do you got sticky headies? Do you want to drink some milk? Do you want to drink some milk, please? Are you ready for lunch? Say cheese! Say cheese!
His grandparents stayed in. Forgot.
Who reminded you? Who reminded you?
My brother was there. Hi! Are we feeling better?
Say mama! You need a little bit of, you need a little kissing. Why you keep falling down, little boy? You cannot have this camera today. Okay. Say bye-bye, Nicholas. Bye-bye. That's pretty bad when Scott reminds you of Titus, huh? You did that. Okay, signing off. See you later. See you in a few years.